almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper.
Hey everyone, thanks for being here. In today's video, I'm just going to do a quick clean through the house and I'll take you along with me. So when I'm needing motivation to clean my house, I love to turn on my diffuser with a really yummy scent in there, and this has become my new favorite. This scent I'm putting in is called Volcano by Crazy Candles. I'll put a link in the description box down below. But for some reason, once I put that in and the scent starts coming out and it has that soft light, it gives me the motivation that I need to start cleaning. So I hope that this video will do that for you. And so thanks for being here.
Always the same until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shades turning brighter. I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter. Time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I away. My heart is screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night.
I don't know why, but I absolutely love cleaning the sink. It's like therapy to me. I hate doing the dishes, but I love cleaning the sink. So what I'm using right here is just the soap brush and some baking soda, my favorite thing to clean the sink with. And then I don't show it in this video, but at the very end, after you've dried your sink out, you can buff some baby oil on your sink and it'll give it a really nice shine.
Like you did last night.
You got me tripping ever since I saw you. I went slipping, didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling, all I ever wanted. You, I'm digging, it's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me. I know nothing ever since I wanted you. I went dripping, never even wanted to. Couldn't even breathe without you. I ain't chilling, my head is spinning round. I went slipping, never even wanted you. Now I can't be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say.
I'm spraying my chair with homemade FABREEZE. So this costs about 50 cents a bottle. I'll put the recipe down in the description box below, but it smells amazing. So this video is not a deep cleaning, it's just a maintaining cleaning throughout the week. So there's a certain day of the week that I do my deep cleaning in bathrooms or the kitchen or other areas of my home. But this is just what I do every day to keep up on the cleaning so it stays nice and clean. So I'll do a deep cleaning video in the future.
When you say all the things you say to me, you got me tripping ever since I saw you. I went slipping, didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own.
So this is just a fun little thing I do with my toilet paper. I fold it into a triangle and then you can stamp the end of the triangle and it stays put together and it makes it look really nice. But all you do is fold it in the triangle, turn on your tap for just a split second just to get it wet, and then seal the tip of the triangle. But what I really love is I get one of my essential oils. Lemon or orange is my very favorite for the bathroom. and you dip it inside or drip it inside of the toilet paper roll. And then when somebody uses the bathroom and the toilet paper spins around, it lets off that scent into the bathroom and makes it smell really nice.
You say you don't wanna be a thing, but I'm not the one who's calling. I'm tired of waiting for you to change into someone who can love me. But you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own. And boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. Your lies are getting old, but I'm getting stronger. You think that my bed's getting cold, but it's feeling warmer. Your lies are getting old, but I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger. 'Cause I'm fine on my own. So don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own.
I would love to have you follow me on Instagram. It's at HemiGirl01. I share a little bit more of my personal life and lots of tips and tricks and fun, so come join me over there.
We are through. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. 'Cause we're through. We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. Yeah, we just never get it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy, but not enough to say goodbye. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if
Show me what it's like to be circling.
I cannot live without this mop. So I used to have a cleaning company, and this is what would save my back when I would go clean for my clients. But it also like deep cleans really well, and then you just take the pads off of the mop and just throw it in your washer. So I absolutely love it. I will link it in the description box below. But you definitely need one of these.
I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today in this video, and I hope this gave you the motivation that you need to tackle your own home. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.
Without you